Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 1995. The given question is the address sequence generated by tracking a particular program executing in pure demand paging system with 100 records per page. With one free main memory frame is recorded as follows. Okay, so what is the number of page faults? Okay, so now this question seems to be a bit interesting, right? Okay, so the thing with respect to this question is, so first we started at 0 1 0. So whenever we are starting at a location, it will cause a fault, right? Yes. So it started at that location means indirectly it is up to 1999, right? So I am removing that initial 0 guys because it will be easy for us to write, right? Yes. So this is in total 100. But the next page which we are searching is a 200. But it is not in our list. So we are going to make again fault. Okay. So indirectly this is containing 200 to 299, right? Again this 430 is not in the list, so again it is also going to be a fault. So this value will be from 430 to, okay, so this value will be 400 to 499, right? Yes. So we will push this and this list will be inside this. So this item will be inside this list. Okay. So after that we are having 499. So 499 is a hit, to be clear, right? Yes. So then we are having a 510. So we will push this 500 to 599 and this is also a fault. Similarly 530 will be a hit. Similarly 560 will also be a hit. Again we are back to 120. So means again 100 to 199 we will push and this is also a fault. Similarly we are going to push 220. So again we need to push this 200 to 299 and again this is also a fault. Similarly 240. So 240 is a hit. Okay. Similarly 260 is also a hit. Similarly 320. So 320 we need to push 300 to 399 and this is a fault. After that we are having 370 which is a hit. So in the question they have asked how many faults have occurred. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in total we are having 7 faults. So C is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So the only catch in this question is the question is not that much clearly explained, right? So he told that the frame is only 1, right? Indirectly, because he told that there is only 1 slot left. So whenever you are pushing this thing, indirectly instead of 100 we are pushing 100 to 199. So that whole page is pushed inside. So our 100 is inside it, but along with that there are over 100 items along with it, right? Yes. So with that concept we were able to solve it really easily, right? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this, and this type of questions are really common, guys. There are around 2 to 3 questions in the past 20 years. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this question, right? Yes. So in the next lecture let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.